Hello, I'm Brian Ballman, Director of Engineering and New Product Development with modernized. And here I'm joined by the largest and most sophisticated engineering team in the ice industry. We have Brian Block, Integration Specialist and Project Manager, Austin Bills, Project Engineer, and Jared Niehauser, Project Engineer. And today we're here to talk about some of the services that the Modern Engineering Group has expanded upon, besides just being able to do a layout and select the appropriate equipment for your new major expansion or new plant build. But we're also able to help manage that process from a turnkey perspective. And so that's one of the things that we're able to offer now that's new for Modern in our engineering group. And I guess, gentlemen, just so everybody has a good idea, why would somebody have modernized turnkey their major expansion or new plant build? What would be some of the reasons that would make sense?
I think customer uses us for a turnkey project. It's seamless. We know all the equipment and how to integrate it together, how to make it work correctly. A lot of tradesmen have never dealt with the ice industry before and don't know the equipment. So all the confusion of what goes where and how it connects, we can clearly state that and bring it to conclusion.
I think one thing that we offer as well is each of us brings a unique advantage to the group of servicing our customers. Brian has an extensive, both Brians have an extensive amount of knowledge in the field with the amount of time they've spent. Austin and I are both young. We're more experienced in the 3D modeling and 2D modeling.
And I think along with what you guys said, it's good that we're there to help them through the turnkey process. A lot of our control systems also, the integration within the system is helpful, and they're able to utilize that.
So yeah, I agree with everybody says. I think the key is that there can be a lot of finger pointing sometimes when people don't really understand the equipment and know how to properly get it in place, connect it to all the utilities, and properly make it work from a controls and other perspectives. So, having this team that with all these years of experience and working towards managing the contractors to make sure it's right the first time just helps things stay on track, get properly installed and start up quickly. So what skill sets does Modern bring then when we're working with subcontractors and doing project management?
Modernized brings to the customers a great deal of support with the drawings that we provide to them. We provide good detailed drawings and 3D models that are able to support them, so that way they're able to visualize what is going to be going into their plant.
And we also can look for interferences and with the 3D modeling with other parts of the building structure and things, correct?
Absolutely. And you're able to get detailed measurements, and they give you certain dimensions, and we plot those into the drawings, and that gives us an oversight of what we need to provide to them.
Great.
Yeah, building off of Austin's comments, I think we do a great job of providing all the detail necessary for the customer. Whether they're going to contract some things themselves or going to install it themselves, we complete that whole package and provide it to them up front, which helps them and also helps us while we're working with our subcontractors, being able to put that information up front, have a detailed schedule that we can present and keep everybody on task.
Yeah, I think modernized being project manager and handling all the subcontractors is a huge benefit. As the plant goes in, we can see things from our experience of other plants and see if we can make changes on the fly to make something better, or if some utilities don't line up quite correctly or something like that, we can just change everything on the fly and make it work better to give the customer the most complete installation that they could have with, and trouble-free.
Thank you for your time today and sitting and listening to us as an engineering team, and we do very much look forward to working on your challenging projects that are upcoming.